Alrighty, hey everyone, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we do have the 2019 Toyota Camry SE Nightshade Special Edition. Now if you did see our other video on the 4Runner Nightshade, we did just get in this Camry Nightshade, so let's take a look at this. It is going to be super white with the black soft and cloth interior. It is the 4-cylinder model, and your Nightshade Special Edition does include the black wheels, mirror caps, shark fin antenna, rear spoiler, window moldings, door handles, and rear badges for a total of $700. You also do have your phone charger and 2 charging USBs for a total of $27,647. Gas mileage 28 city, 39 out on the highway, 32 combined. So very good gas mileage. Coming down here to your wheels, we are riding on Bridgestone Turanza tires. These are going to be those 18-inch alloys exclusive to the Nightshade Special Editions. As you can see, those black badges around back with the dual tips. You do have your switchblade key on this model, so just go ahead and press unlock twice to unlock all your doors. And then coming in, this one does only have 3 miles on it. So just go ahead and stick your key in the ignition and twist to start. So we'll check out underneath the hood. And coming underneath the hood, we did the 2.5 liter dual overhead cam i4. This featured D4S direct and port fuel injection, making 203 horsepower, 184 foot-pounds of torque, all going to the front wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission. Now you also do have a hybrid powertrain as well as a 3.5 liter V6. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now before coming in, over your side mirrors, they are going to be black accented as well as your door handles with that Nightshade package. And then coming in, you do have that Softex black interior with cloth inserts, as well as your fully powered driver's seat with power lumbar down below. And as far as your door panel goes, you do have all your padded materials up top, padded armrest, all automatic windows, power locks and power mirrors, with door storage down below. And coming to your steering wheel, it is going to be a 3-spoke leather-wrapped wheel with side bolster and grip extensions. Full-way D-pad over here on the left for your LCD and your gauges. You also do have your Bluetooth phone, voice commands, and volume. Over on the right, your cruise control with dynamic radar cruise, lane departure alert with steer assist, as well as your mode and seek right over here. Paddle shifters mounted on the back of the wheel. Over on the left, automatic headlights, fog lights, and your automatic high beams as well. Then over on the right, your variable intermittent speed wipers. Dash is all nice soft touch material with stitching over here on this portion. And coming to your audio system, checking out your sources. AM, FM, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs on this model. Going to your menu, this is where your projection Apple CarPlay is going to be. Just go ahead and plug it in through a USB port. You also do have your Bluetooth phone and your apps when you connect up through Intune. Below that, single zone automatic climate control, so you can just set your temperature, press automatic, and leave it. Or you can manually control your zones and fan speed. Below that, you'd have your audio inputs as well as a 12-volt. A little bit of storage with more storage below that. There's that 8-speed automatic with your sport mode and manual shift. Reverse does give you your rear backup camera up top with cup holders and a nice padded armrest with plenty of storage down in there. Damped glove box with your owner's manuals in there. Manually dimming rearview mirror with some LED illumination as well as sunglass storage. And you also do have your mirror with a nice little extension on your sun visor. And that about wraps it up for the front seat. Let's check out the rear. Now coming back here, your black Softex and cloth inserts do follow through, as well as your power window and your door storage. With the front seat set from a 5'9" frame, still plenty of room, plenty of footroom down below, as well as your dual seat mat pockets. You also do have some storage and charging USBs down there. Over to my right, nice padded armrest with some cup holders. And then up top you do have damped cornering handles with coat hook and a nice dome light. Nice view of the dash right there. Now let's check out the cargo area and we can wrap up our video. And coming around back, to open up your trunk, there's a release inside as well as a button on your key. And we'll pop right open. Nice line trunk lid with your emergency release up top. You also do have 60/40 folding rear seats via the levers right over here on each side. Front license plate bracket in there. Underneath your cargo floor, you do have your temporary spare tire and jack as well. And so that about wraps it up for the 2019 Toyota Camry Nightshade Special Edition. Now if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.